Wait time is the same for each queue. Enjoy your adventure on the Jungle River cruise today, and reward you.